You can speak English fluently. Yes, you can. Have you ever looked at someone speaking English and thought, wow, I could never do that? Guess what? You can. Seriously. With consistent practice and a positive attitude, becoming fluent in English is within your reach. It's not about perfection. It's about progress. Even the longest journey starts with a single step. And you're already on your way just by reading this. But how long will it take? That depends on one thing: practice. Think of learning English like learning to cook. At first, it feels hard. You burn the toast, add too much salt, or forget to turn on the oven. Oops. But the more you try, the better your dishes get. And soon, you're impressing your friends with gourmet meals. Speaking English is similar. At first, your sentences might feel burnt, but with practice, you'll serve up perfect conversations in no time. Step 1. Listen, listen, and listen some more. Do you know how babies learn to speak? They don't start with a grammar book. They listen. A lot. Before they even say their first word, they've heard thousands of words from the people around them. That's exactly what you need to do. Immerse yourself in English. But wait, does that mean you have to listen to boring audio lessons? Absolutely not. The best part about learning English is that you can make it fun. Listen to things that you actually enjoy. Whether it's your favorite music, funny TV shows, or YouTube videos of adorable cats. Come on, who doesn't love those? Find content that keeps you interested. Example: imagine you love cooking. Why not watch cooking shows in English? While you learn new recipes, you'll also pick up useful phrases like, first, chop the onions, or let it simmer for 10 minutes. Now you're learning English and becoming a better cook. It's a win-win. Tip: choose materials that are slightly above your current level, but not too difficult. You want to understand most of what you hear, but also challenge yourself with new words and expressions. If you're watching a movie, try turning on English subtitles. That way, you can both see and hear the words, helping you make connections faster. Step 2. Speak, even if it's not perfect. Now here's the fun part: speaking. Yes, I know it's scary at first. You might be thinking, what if I make mistakes? What if people don't understand me? Here's a little secret. Making mistakes is okay. In fact, it's a great sign that you're learning. Every mistake you make is a step towards improvement. Think of it like this. When a baby is learning to walk, they fall down a lot. But do they give up? No. They keep trying until they're running around the house faster than their parents can keep up. Speaking English is the same. You'll stumble over words, but each time you speak, you'll gain confidence. And soon enough, you'll be running through conversations without a second thought. Example: let's say you want to talk about your weekend. You might say, I go park with my friends. It's not perfect, right? But who cares? You communicated your message, and that's what matters. As you keep practicing, you'll eventually learn to say, I went to the park with my friends. But for now, just focus on speaking. Every conversation is a chance to improve. Tip: try to find a speaking partner. It could be a friend, classmate, or an online language buddy. Platforms like HelloTalk or Tandem can connect you with English speakers from around the world. And if you can't find someone to talk to yourself. Seriously, this works. Try describing your surroundings, talking about your plans for the day, or even repeating phrases you hear in English shows. It may feel weird at first, but trust me, it's one of the best ways to practice. Bonus tip: record yourself speaking. I know nobody likes hearing their own voice, but this is a powerful tool. When you listen to the recording, you can spot areas to improve, like pronunciation or grammar, and track your progress over time. Step 3. Practice makes progress, not perfection. Here's a little secret that will take the pressure off. Practice doesn't make perfect. It makes you better every single day. There's no such thing as perfect English. Even native speakers don't speak perfect English all the time. They use slang, make grammar mistakes, and stumble over words just like anyone else. So don't aim for perfection. Instead, aim for progress. Tip: try the 5-minute challenge. Every day, choose a topic. It could be something simple like my favorite food or what I did today. Then speak about that topic for just 5 minutes. You can do this alone, with a friend, or even by talking to your pet. Yes, your cat will be impressed by your English skills. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Example: let's say today's topic is what I did yesterday. You could start with something simple. Yesterday, I went to the store. I bought milk, bread, and some fruit. As you get more comfortable, you can add more details. Yesterday, I went to the grocery store around 10 a.m. I needed to buy some milk because I wanted to make pancakes. The store was very crowded, but I managed to find everything I needed. See how much more fluent you sound with just a little extra practice. Step 4. Have fun while you learn. Who said learning English has to be boring? If you're having fun, you'll remember what you learn much more easily. So, find ways to make English learning enjoyable. Play word games, watch funny movies, or sing along to English songs. Don't worry if you can't hit those high notes. Nobody's listening. The more fun you have, the more motivated you'll be to keep learning. Question: what's your favorite way to have fun in English? Watching TV shows, playing video games, or reading comic books? Remember, any exposure to English counts as practice. So don't feel guilty about watching cartoons in English. You're still learning and you're having fun too. Example: let's say you love music. Find a song you like in English and listen to it over and over. Try to sing along, even if you don't understand every word at first. Look up the lyrics, learn what they mean, and soon enough, you'll be singing with confidence. It's a great way to improve your pronunciation and learn new vocabulary. Tip: mix in some language learning apps like Duolingo or Memrise to play vocabulary games. These apps turn learning into a game, with points, challenges, and rewards, making it fun and addictive. Step 5. Be patient and stay positive. Finally, the most important tip of all: be patient with yourself. Learning a language takes time, and that's okay. Don't compare your progress to others. Some people might learn faster, but everyone has their own pace. Focus on your journey and celebrate every victory, even the small ones, like understanding a new word or successfully ordering coffee in English. Tip: keep a journal of your English learning journey. Write down new words, phrases, and sentences you learn every day. You can also write about your feelings and experiences in English, even if it's just a few sentences. Over time, you'll see how much you've grown. So, are you ready to start? Let's go. Try talking about what you had for breakfast today in English. Don't worry if it's simple. Every word you say is one step closer to fluency. What did you have?